Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And in the efforts of Microsoft trying to improve Windows 11 and make users happy again, some of the changes that they are looking at also is in the inconsistencies of the interface, depending on where you are and where you go within Windows. Simple example is that you might have something modern pop up and be in the settings app and doing things in the settings app and so on. And suddenly one of the things that you'll click will suddenly bring you to a legacy control panel um, object that looks more Windows 95-ish. Another example is you'll have the modern looking file explorer, but then you decide to go into some of the options, and there you go. You're in a Windows XP or 95 or 98 era menu that is totally different from the more modern look that Windows 11 is trying to give. And even in the modern look, it's not equal. It's not everywhere the same thing, the same font, and so on. So Microsoft has been talking about the fact that they are modernizing all of these menus. They are trying to work out a way to make everything way more modern and consistent across the redesigning of Windows 11 user interface. And they say that this is a big piece of work that they are doing, and that at some point we will have a upgraded, redesigned Windows 11 interface that really will have a lot more modern looking options and stuff that in the menus. Of course, one of the legacy things about it is also the control panel. The control panel definitely brings us to a old school menu that, every time I see this, I always remember Windows XP when I was tweaking the control panel everywhere. So these are all things that are being looked at. Of course, we talked about the control panel a couple of weeks ago. They are looking into eventually removing it, but this is a really big task, and it's not going to happen tomorrow for sure. But at least they are looking into making this more modern and have something that's more consistent throughout the operating system. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.